In a world transformed by technology, a revolution is underway within the workforce. Robots have emerged as key players, reshaping industries and challenging our perceptions. Today, we dive into the significance of robots in the workforce, exploring their benefits, challenges, and the future they promise. Get ready to witness the captivating tale of innovation and its profound impact on our daily lives. To truly grasp the significance of robots in the workforce, we must first understand what constitutes a robot. Simply put, a robot is a programmable machine capable of carrying out tasks autonomously or under human supervision. In the manufacturing industry, industrial robots are a common sight, assembling products with precision and speed. In healthcare, humanoid robots assist medical professionals, providing support during surgeries, patient care, and rehabilitation. Drones have taken flight in the delivery and logistics sector, enabling efficient transportation of goods. Robotic vacuum cleaners navigate our homes, ensuring cleanliness with minimal human intervention. Even in science and research, robotic arms assist in delicate laboratory procedures. These examples represent the diverse types of robots used in various industries, streamlining operations and driving innovation. Increased productivity. One of the key benefits of robots in the workforce is their ability to significantly enhance productivity. These mechanical wonders excel in performing tasks with remarkable speed and efficiency, surpassing human capabilities in many areas. Whether it's assembling intricate components on a production line or meticulously sorting and packaging items in a warehouse, robots work tirelessly without fatigue or breaks. Their precision and consistency eliminate human errors, resulting in higher output quality. By taking over repetitive or physically demanding tasks, robots free up human workers to focus on more complex and value-added activities. The result is a substantial boost in productivity that propels businesses forward in today's fast-paced world. Improved accuracy. In the world of productivity, one golden rule reigns supreme. Accuracy is paramount. Enter the realm of robots, where precision is an inherent superpower. These mechanical virtuosos possess a level of accuracy that leaves humans in awe. With unwavering focus and impeccable calibration, they flawlessly execute tasks, reducing errors to a mere whisper. Every movement, every action is executed with meticulous precision, ensuring consistent and high-quality output. No more human errors, no more slips of the hand. The realm of guesswork is replaced by a symphony of sensors and algorithms, orchestrating a masterpiece of accuracy that revolutionizes industries. With robots at the helm, businesses can boast of unparalleled precision and the assurance that perfection is no longer an elusive dream. Enhanced safety. In the pursuit of progress, safety should never be compromised. Robots bring a shield of protection to the workforce, particularly in hazardous or repetitive tasks that pose risks to human workers. These resilient machines fearlessly venture into danger zones, defying perilous environments with unwavering composure. Whether it's handling toxic substances, navigating treacherous terrains, or enduring extreme temperatures, robots are built to withstand the hardest conditions. By delegating dangerous tasks to robots, companies can safeguard their human workforce, sparing them from potential injuries or even loss of life. The collaborative dance between humans and robots creates a harmonious symphony of risk reduction, empowering workers to focus on higher-level responsibilities while their robotic counterparts conquer the most perilous challenges. With robots as sentinels of safety, a new era of workplace protection is born. Cost savings. In the realm of business, the quest for efficiency is ceaseless, and the cost savings are the holy grail. Brace yourself for a revelation. Robots are the financial superheroes that come to the rescue. These extraordinary machines have the power to revolutionize the bottom line, transforming mere numbers into a symphony of success. By automating tasks once carried out by human hands, robots eliminate the need for costly labor, reducing overhead expenses and streamlining operations. With their unwavering precision and tireless work ethic, they unleash a whirlwind of productivity that slashes production times and maximizes output. From manufacturing plants to warehouses, the impact is profound. Businesses no longer need to choose between quality and quantity. Robots deliver both, propelling profit margins to new heights. Witness the extraordinary alchemy of innovation and cost savings as robots emerge as the guardians of a business's financial destiny. Healthcare. Within the realm of healthcare, a remarkable transformation is taking place, orchestrated by the delicate touch of robotic innovation. As human hands join forces with mechanical precision, the boundaries of medical capabilities are pushed to new frontiers. The operating theater, robots delicately maneuver surgical tools with astonishing precision. They offer surgeons enhanced dexterity, stability, and magnified vision, allowing for minimally invasive procedures and increased surgical accuracy. With the assistance of these robotic allies, complex surgeries become an artful dance of human expertise and machine precision, reducing the invasiveness of procedures, shortening recovery times, and ultimately improving patient outcomes. Beyond the operating room, robots take on a new role: patient care companions. With their warm demeanor and gentle touch, they offer support, assistance, and companionship to patients. From monitoring vital signs to reminding individuals to take their medication, these compassionate machines lend a comforting presence, enhancing the overall patient experience. Administrative tasks, often burdensome and time-consuming, are also benefiting from the robotic revolution. Robots adeptly handle data entry, appointment scheduling, and billing processes, freeing up valuable time for healthcare professionals to focus on direct patient care. The automation of administrative tasks not only increase efficiency, but also reduce the risk of errors, ensuring accurate and streamlined healthcare operations. With every surgical assistant, every caregiving companion, and every administrative automation, robots have become invaluable allies within the healthcare industry. They transcend the limits of human capacity, delivering a new era of precision, care, and efficiency that revolutionizes patient outcomes and paves the way for a brighter future of healthcare. Retail and logistics. The world of retail and logistics has undergone a profound transformation, courtesy of our tireless mechanical friends. Robots have become the backbone of this industry, seamlessly weaving together efficiency, accuracy, and innovation. Step into a warehouse, and you'll witness a symphony of automation. Robots zip through the aisles, navigating with precision and flawlessly orchestrating the intricate dance of inventory management. They tirelessly retrieve items, stack shelves, and organize products with unrivaled speed and efficiency. With their tireless work ethic, they transform warehouses into well-oiled machines, ensuring optimal stock levels, reducing errors, and expediting order fulfillment. Order fulfillment, once a labor-intensive process, now thrives under the watchful eye of robots. These robotic arms, armed with impeccable accuracy and lightning-fast response times, seamlessly pick and pack products, ensuring that customer orders are fulfilled swiftly and accurately. From e-commerce giants to local retailers, robots have become the catalyst behind seamless shopping experiences, where products magically find their way from virtual carts to physical delivery. And speaking of delivery, robots have taken to the skies. Drones, with their nimble wings and cutting-edge technology, offer unprecedented speed and efficiency in transportation of goods. They soar through the air, bypassing traffic and challenging terrains, delivering packages with unrivaled speed and precision. The once distant dream of same-day or even same-hour delivery is now a reality, thanks to these airborne couriers. As we come to the end of our journey exploring the significance of robots in the workforce, we are left in awe of the profound impact these mechanical marvels have had on various industries. From healthcare to retail and logistics, robots have emerged as invaluable allies, transforming the way we work, improving efficiency, and pushing the boundaries of innovation. We have witnessed robots increase productivity, delivering higher output, and propelling businesses forward. Their unwavering precision has brought about improved accuracy, ensuring flawless execution, and elevating the quality of output. By handling dangerous repetitive tasks, robots have enhanced safety, protecting human workers and creating a harmonious collaboration between man and machine. And with their contributions to cost savings, robots have become financial superheroes, optimizing operations and driving business success. However, it is crucial that we navigate this transformative path with thoughtful regulation, ethical considerations, and a human-centric approach, ensuring that the benefits of robotics are harnessed responsibly. The journey we've embarked on today is just the beginning. The significance of robots in the workforce continues to evolve, and we stand at the precipice of an era where human ingenuity and technological prowess coexist harmoniously. Together, let us embrace this era of innovation, collaboration, and endless possibilities as we shape a future where humans and robots thrive side by side.